How to delete Snapchat story. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete Snapchat story. So first of all, after you open your phone, make sure you go to your Play Store, App Store, and make sure you update your Snapchat app. After you finish updating your Snapchat, now go and open the Snapchat app like this. After you open your Snapchat, make sure you have added your story. So I'll tap on this profile at the top left side. So under my profile, now scroll to down. Here is now my story. I want to delete one of them. Here is one and here is second one. So I'll open this one. After you open the story, you can tap on this three dot at the top right side. So you can tap on this delete button. So tap on this delete again. So now I deleted this story. As you can see now the story has disappeared. You can tap on the story again and tap on this delete again at the top. So tap on this delete section, delete again. So now I deleted all my story on Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out on how to delete Snapchat story. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys.